So now given over here, principal is equals to 1600, simple interest is 252, the time is 2 years, 3 months. 3 months is nothing but 3 divided by 12, that is months, 0.25 years, so 2.25 years. Rate is what we have to find out. So SI is equals to PTR upon 100. SI is 252 equals principal is 1600. Time is 2.25 into R divided by 100. So isolating R and rearranging through cross multiplication, what do we get? 252 into 100 divided by 16 into 225, because we are going to remove the two zeros with the decimals. Okay, 25 fours, 25 nines, 4 ones, 4 fours, 4 ones, 4 sixes, 1 goes here, 3 9 ones, 7. R is equals to 7%, which is your option B. Assume the principal as P because SI equals 4 by 9 P, and here seeing time is equals to rate of interest, and we have to figure out rate of interest. Great. So SI equals PTR upon 100. Amazing. This is nothing but 4 by 9 P equals P times T is R, R times R divided by 100. P cancelled on both sides, and then R square equals 400 by 9 cross multiplication, and then R square equals 20 by 3 whole square, the 20 square and 3 square, and then we are taking square root on both the sides. Cancel, cancel, cancel. R equals 20 upon 3, which is nothing but 6, and you're left with 2, so that is nothing but 2 by 3%, which is your option C. So here the principal given is 400, which amounted to 480 in 4 years, and the rate of interest has to be found out. Okay, so SI is nothing but amount minus principal, which is 480 minus 400, which is equals to 80. We also know SI equals PTR upon 100. Our classic formula, that is 80 equals, what is your principal? 400. 4 years, rate we have to find out, and 100 is here. Zeros cancelled, 4 ones, 4 20s, 4 ones, 4 5s. So rate is nothing but 5%. This problem doesn't get over here. He's telling us to find out what will be the amount if the rate of interest increases by 2%. Okay, so we have to find out the new rate first. New rate is nothing but old rate plus 2%, that is 5% plus 2%, which is equals to 7%. Amazing. Now what we have to do is we have to also find out the simple interest on this now at the new rate. So the simple interest is nothing but 400, the same principal, the same time, but the new interest rate, that is 7% instead of 5% divided by 100. 0 0 cancel, 16 sevens, that is nothing but 112, as we know the 16 table. Amount is equals to simple interest and principal combination, that is 400 plus 112, that is equals to pi by 12, which is our option C. So what's given in the question? He is asking us the rate. Okay, and he's saying us that the simple interest is 2/5 of the principal. Okay, so SI equals to 5 times of the principal, so the principal is principal, and the time period is given as 10 years. Great. SI equals PTR upon 100. So SI is nothing but 2 by 5 P from the given. Principal we are assuming P, and the time is 10 years, and the rate of return is what we have to find out, and that is upon 100. So this is 10 ones, 10 tens, 5 ones, 5 twos, cross multiply. Before that principal also cancelled, so we have only rate is equals to cross multiplication, say 4%, which is your option A. Great. This one is similar to the previous question, but here he has given us the rate of interest as 8% and simple interest as 2 by 5 principal time, and principal as we assume the same, but here is asking us the time period. Amazing. So SI equals PTR upon 100. Here SI is nothing but 2 by 5P equals, principal is going to be P times T, which we have to find out, into 8 divided by 100. Great. 5 ones, 5 20s, 2 ones, 2 4s, 4 ones, 4 5s, principal cancelled, and then 5 goes here. To isolate T, we get 5 years, which is your option B.